azimanyi tuba tusaba gavumenti enoonyereze bani abamusindikira ssente zakozesa yafuna obudde obugenda ku maduuka n'agula ebisi byakya abaana abo balina abazadde abaana nenkola ki nimuzadde ne gavumenti wenasigala nga etenoonyeza buli kaseera egamba enoonyereza erimba bulimbi omusajja bajja kumuta akunwerako nekintu kyekimu kyetwagala bamuwa abantu bamutere ku state square wali bamukuba amasasi ensinesinekolaki era kuba agenda kusigala nga yakumera ya gavumenti ku musolo gwetu fenga abanauganda kyukakyuka kimbadde nsaba gavumenti
olina kyogedde nti ebbanga President Museveni yafuze akoleyo ekintu ekyenjawulo
jana gyamaze tusaba omukulembeze w'eggwanga akoleyo ekitali mu mateeka anenye ku mateeka
ave ku mateeka amututale ku
gulawundi wali ku state square amutuwe tumwekolereko ng'abantu oba bwejjako mugamba ngu anoonyereza tebikola afuuka ekyokulabirako nga tannabakulayira nga z'omwezi nga 12 akitukolere nga tannabakulayira atukolere ekyo kyetwagala ffe ng'abannayuganda tujja kumusiima
bakakebedde kukiramu bakalamu kakulaga kalina pasipoti 2 katambula ne kagenda kalina bizinesi za mobile money kalina bank account kati omusajja oyo ensakaisati nayo yalaze nti bakebedde omutwe nga nagwo mulamu kati tubadde tusaba abantu ngaawo gavumenti ebakoleko kikugamba nti kumuteeka luzira wabule ngaawo babawanike owanisakala babeere ekyotulabirako abenga basobola n'abalala babeere nga balabirako oba yazikiriza emiti emitwedde bakama nti kyekibira
anti laba zeyali amuwadde ebyokunywa zeyali mundala ekulabadde mundala bwe yali asala abaana yali mungoye endala mukujjawo nekulabadde mungoye nakati ate olwolwaleero ali mungoye kati weewuunye ani amuwa ebintu ebyo ate omulalu ye abeera afaanana bwatyo nga bwafaanana so banne tusaba gavumenti tuyambe alisa muno ekitala naye bakoleki omuntu oyo alisa muno ekitala naye alifa kitala naye omuntu oyo bwe banamuleka nti mulalu era kyemmanyi ajja kutta n'abalala kyensuubira nti omuntu oyo nga bwafaanana singa bamuleka nga bagamba mulalu nga bwe tuwera batandise okugattamu mulalu kati mulalu anaavaayo atta abalala nze nayirowoozeza nti omuntu ng'oyo baali badde basobola nga bwe nawera President Museveni bwe yagamba omuntu oyo bamuleete eggabi ewaffe gye tubeera basobole omuwoleza mu bantu so abantu bafune obwenkanya abantu bali maziga bakaaba y'omuntu bakuuma mukume bamutwala mu bitiibwa bizibu balinga abatwala omukungu so twali badde tusaba nti omuntu ng'oyo baali badde bamuza mu kitundu ne bamuwoleza n'awoleza mu kitundu weyaddiza omusango ne basalawo kyekyo mukolera naye omuntu oyo tewakyali kyamukolera abazadde baaba bali mu maziga
where he carries out routine transactions for different purposes on different days, including on the fateful day of 2nd April 2026. The accused also operates routine bank wallet transactions from his Stanbic bank account to his mobile money line 0769 582620. On the 2nd of April 2026 at 11:09 a.m., the accused transferred UGX 200,000 from his bank account to his mobile line. At 11 a.m., the accused transferred UGX 195,000 from his mobile line to mobile number 0772 966 956, which belongs to Annette Abo, indicating the reason for the transfer as school CRRL on phone. The mobile money printer shall be relied upon during trials. On the morning of the 2nd of April 2026, the accused moved from Chanja through Clock Tower to Bunga and Gaba, the scene of crime. The accused called that a record shall be relied upon during trial. On the 2nd of April 2026 at 25 minutes past 11 a.m., the accused's phone made a call to the police emergency line 0323 112 112. The accused's movements prior to the crime were tracked on the police CCTV surveillance cameras. A CCTV analysis report shall be relied upon during trial. Prosecution shall, among others, tender and rely on the following exhibits. 1. Physical evidence, the blood-stained knife, other knives recovered from the accused, and blood-stained clothes of the accused person. Documentary evidence, post-mortem examination reports on PF 48B, accused medical examination on PF 24, the charge and caution statement of the accused, telephone printouts and KYCs, mobile money records, bank statements of the accused person, immigration travel reports, identification documents of the accused person, payment receipt of government community charge, scene of crime report, court orders, CCTV analysis report, DNA report, accused previous sanitary reports, accused certificate of good conduct, accused driving permit, among others. On digital evidence, the prosecution rely on PF 17A, digital forensic report, police CCTV analysis report, among others. Mr. Kelly, this is the evidence that the prosecution will rely on during your trial. You're committed to hide your trial at the next convenient session. This is where you take this and you have a right to apply for it. accused person, Christopher Okello Onyo, is a male adult Ugandan, aged 39 years, and holder of a Ugandan National Identification Number, CM 87-127-100 CTME. The accused is also an American citizen and holder of 2 USA passport number A81859-365 and 683248-027. The accused person meticulously planned the attack on Gaba Ali Childhood Center the following days. On the 31st of March 2026, the accused rented a RAV4 motor vehicle registration number UAM 645M from Tribuka Railway Uganda for self-drive purposes to facilitate his movement. On the 1st of April 2026, the accused drove motor vehicle registration number UAM 645M from Chanja to Gaba through Tinda, Nakawa, Chibuli, Kabalagala, Bunga, and Gaba. On the same day, 1st April 2026, the accused visited Gaba Ali Childhood Development Center under the guise of seeking admission for his child to survey the premises. At the center, the accused met Miss Namtevi Fifi, one of the caretakers from whom he inquired about the requirements for having his child admitted for care. Miss Namtevi Fifi provided to the accused the required information for admission, including details of the financial contribution for each child. 4 days prior to the incident, the accused bought a number of knives to be used in the attack. On the second day of April 2026, the morning of the attack, the accused returned to the center after paying Uganda shillings 195,000 via his mobile money number 0769582620 to the head of the center, Miss Odom Annette Ago, on her mobile money line number 0772966956. The accused exited the office and immediately initiated a violent assault on the children playing in the compound. The accused used the knife to systematically attack the 4 victims. When the caretaker, Miss Namtevi attempted to intervene, the accused threatened her life, causing her to fall while he continued to assault on the victims. The accused was apprehended by security at the center and bystanders. During the arrest, he attempted to discard the primary murder weapon, the blood-stained knife. Upon being apprehended, the accused was locked up in a room at the scene to protect him from the charging public as police arrived. At arrest, the accused was found in possession of 2 mobile phones. The management of the center immediately rushed 3 of the 4 victims to Wayne's Medical Center, where they were also pronounced dead on arrival. Police arrived at the scene and rearrested the accused person. The police recovered the blood-stained knife used by the accused person to kill the 4 victims from within the compound. The said knife was exhibited and preserved for further forensic analysis. In the process of transferring the accused to the police patrol vehicle, 2 other knives dropped from his pockets. The said knives were also recovered and exhibited. The police recorded statements from some of the eyewitnesses and also recovered receipt number 2958 from Gaba Community Church for the UGX 195,000 that had been issued to the accused. The police conveyed the accused to Kabalagala Police Station, where he was taken for first aid for the minor injuries he sustained from members of the public during arrest. The knives recovered at the scene were submitted to the Directorate of Forensic Services for analysis. The forensic examination report shall be relied upon at the trial. The 4 bodies of the deceased children were taken to Rabo City Mortuary for
eryokya lirino akkiriza okweyimirira akkiriza
wachairman wazze n'ebbaluwa lumu goma olw'ensonga bwetaavu nange nja kuwaayo nange ndaga naye batuyamba omusana kooti ng'agenda kuba yamunkejje
agamba bonna balinze nze alina kakooko nedda engoye z'ejjosi ze ezaleero